Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while. Last few weeks haven't done too many weekly uploads because I've just been having some family time and just getting away now that we're on holidays. So we're home for a couple of days. Excuse me, so it gives me a chance to do a few upgrades. Now these came last week. Some people know what these are, some people don't. You'll see in a moment. Packaged really well. These, my friends, are towing mirrors. I'm doing this one-handed. Don't have my tripod right now, so 1 second. And with the Magic camera work, well, phone work, here we go. So extendable towing mirrors. Been looking forward to these for a while. Kind of funny because I got them on what do they call it, Black Friday deals. What was that, a few weeks back now, and I believe I got them at about $330 for the pair. And these are the ones that are electric here, but they're not electric fold. Now, had a quick look at the Clearview ones, and there's some other brands as well, can't remember the names. And yes, they do everything and they are quality and yeah, like electric fold and that, but some of them like pushing almost 1,000, some of them are over 1,000. Now, after the sales and everything, this is about 340, like I said, 330, 340. So yeah, these are what's to go. Now, funny thing is, the wife and I are already talking about upgrading the vehicle next year, so see how we go. Like and subscribe. Catch ya.